Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set face lock on ITEL S15 mobile phone. Face unlock plus pin. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your ITEL S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, go to security and location. Okay, tap this. Here in security and location and device security section, you can see the face unlock. Okay, tap the face unlock. Now here, you can choose the screen lock. Choose your backup screen lock method. So, okay, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set face unlock plus pin. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the face unlock plus pin. And now you can set screen lock. So for security, set the pin. Okay, first you can create the pin. So this is example only. And okay, after you create the pin, tap next button and re-enter your pin. And tap the confirm button. And now you can see the notification when your device is locked. How do you want notification to show? So you can set via show all notification content, hide sensitive content, or don't show notification at all. So I decide to select the don't show notification at all. And okay, after that, tap the done button below. And now you can create or set the security question. So reset password via security question when forgot password. So there are two questions here. Question 1 and question 2. So now you can set the question 1, who favorite color is. So you can change the question by tap the arrow down on the right side. And now you can set the question into my favorite color is, my favorite star is, or my favorite food is. So I decide into my favorite color is. And now enter or input the answer here. So okay guys, this is an example only. And now here in question 2 or number 2, my favorite sport is. So you can change the question by tap the arrow on the right side. And now you can set my favorite sport is, my favorite star is, or my favorite food is. So I decide to set into my favorite sport is. And please input the answer here. And after that, after you set the security question, okay, tap the done button below. And now register your face. So align camera with face to unlock device and start a new experience of authentication. So a statement, face unlock may be less secure than a strong pattern or password. And okay guys, now to register your face, you'll have to do is tap the continue button. And okay guys, so move up and down your face to register. 100% facial information recorded. And okay guys, we have successfully registered my face. And after that, tap the done button below. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set face lock on ITEL S15 mobile phone, face unlock plus pin. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.